Hey guys, today's video is going to be going over Banff, Alberta. This is up in Canada. It's going to be covering all the highlights of the trip. We flew into Calgary and then we drove over to Canmore. It's about a 2-hour drive. And then we spent most of our time in the Banff National Park. It's going to be mostly just the highlight videos and clips and some of the good pictures that we got. This was an amazing trip. We went in September. Really enjoyed it and I'm looking forward to going back. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.
Shit one? Buddy.
That's actually fair. No, but their features are.
You have to decide who's the best yodeler. Delivered by your sweetheart. Beer delivered by sweetheart. What does it sound like? Here we go. It sounds like this. What did you just do? Your tongue.
Chill. Yo, I can see that. Go have a.
Unequivocal, yeah?
Y en el próximo viaje vamos a hacer el otro hike y no vamos a estar haciendo este.
Oh, the thing. Oh, good. No.
You guys blind.
How's it not moving? We're so close. Yeah.
I think you did. Wait, guys, how did
My
you
shoes
get
is
back
not it, bro.
Go down sideways.
I don't know.
It's easy to climb. Sideways. Go sideways right here.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do
Abdullah.
Oh, you're hold on, bro.
I took a picture of you. Come on. Up in the tree.
What does it say?
we don't know that, so like
Keep going.
Okay. I already read it. Yo! Oh man.
oh, the water is refreshingly cold though, not gonna lie.
Wow.
Drink it.
Drink it. Beautiful, eh?
Man, this is crazy.
The chemicals, buddy, this is the clearest water I've ever seen. Watch out, watch out, I wanna check the rock. Move.
3?
Huh?
Oh, hold on. 3 times? Yo.
Yeah. Alright, I'll be that down guy. Go.
I just want to stay here and chill.
Oh, I
honestly.
want to chill here. For a while, and then we're getting back home. Canmore. And I get some tea because you get me.
Oh, nice video, Michael.
Yo!
We're all skinny dip, bro.
Look at these guys. We walk away for 10 minutes, come back.
You guys took too long.
That guy's
Take
way
it,
too long.
Take a video of the view.
It's like 45 degrees.
Oh!
The water is actually not that bad.
But that's not bad once you go in.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
How are you gonna dry off?
Yeah, that's it.
Take that out. Where are you gonna keep it?
I'm in the water. Look.
It's cold.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, Michael, you have to do
Michael,
Yeah, the sun right there.
you gonna get in?
No, hell no.
Come on.
Hell no. My shoes are done for already.
Yeah, don't worry. Wash her. We're gonna go back. Yo, go there. Don't worry. Go right.
Go more, go more. Hell no. What do you hell no? Go on, see what the freak.
Who cares?
I did wear it backwards. I wore my shirts backwards. I'm bugging. Hold
Ah,
I need to show that.
retardo.
Yo, how cold was it?
It was, yo, it's refreshingly
Bro, who cares? Just jump
It's
in.
not as cold as the air. It's cold. It's snippy.
Yeah, you're gonna need that later.
Let's go, Michael.
Guys,
back.
I bet you guys want these now, huh?
Give me that.
I don't need that.
Yeah, you gotta be dry. You gotta be dry for it.
It's actually warm.
It's not that bad. As long as there's sun.
Alright.
What do you think?
You gotta go all
What
the
do
way
you
in.
need this for?
It's not like
swim trip.
It's thermal.
Go in without it, bro.
Yeah, go in without it.
Go in
Go in
without
without
it.
Yeah, you might
know
need
why?
it later. You might need it later.
You're gonna need that probably as well.
Wear it after.
Whole body to your neck.
To your neck.
To your neck.
You know, it gets really bad right
For
here.
at least 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, it's bad. Yeah.
Michael, let's go! We're about to get arrested.
Cut that.
Hurry. That's how they look like. It does look good to know like how that. So just the same. Everybody says.
Yeah, my son.
Yo, it's actually pretty warm.
It's warm. It's a little hot.
At least it's not like it's not cold. Except when I'm running forward. What?
Up on that.
Jump here. That person like, you know what, maybe not, but...
Yo. It's good.
Young bucks.
No more young. No, young buck.
You good to say hi.
Yo, what's good?
Guys.
What up? Come.
It's okay.
You guys come too. What? Yo, look. Look at that. Big out. Look.
Michael, is there a washroom inside?
They slow down in the shoot.
That's funny. There's like plenty of them. Is that a baby? Kind of. It's a kid.
Bro, look how many there are. There's like probably
Bunch.
like 30, do you think?
Oh, got scared.
Look how many there are.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm jumping.
He's making sure the last one's good.
Yep, I am gone. You come, you jump. Well, I'm jumping. Hey guys. So look what Michael brought.
Little checkerboard clothes, riding on horseback.
Oh, interesting.
Only in Canmore.
Much.
You can see the whole lake.